For those practicing Ramadan, this is a great time to grow closer with loved ones, practicing your faith and enjoying this season. However, fasting is a component of Ramadan that needs to be doing with proper preparation and care. When fasting for Ramadan, it's important to always make sure that your health is constantly maintained and that you don't end up suffering from malnutrition and dehydration. This is why making the most of Sahur and Iftar is important for you to refeed, get your recommended nutrition in, and replenish your hydration levels. With that being said, here are the 7 best Ramadan drinks to have for your Iftar. Number 1. Jalab. Jalab is one of the most popular drinks in the UAE and all over the Middle East. During Ramadan, this beverage is stapled in most households. It is made by using dates, grape molasses with rose water, and is served with a lot of ice to help you beat the heat while getting hydrated. Jalab is oftentimes low in calories, does not contain artificial sweeteners, and goes down smooth. Number 2. Coconut water. For people who feel dehydrated after not being able to drink after a long period of time, coconut water is an ideal choice. There are no artificial additives, completely organic, and all natural. Coconut has an abundance of electrolytes, vitamins, and minerals to replenish the body and beat dehydration. It's also great because it won't spike your sugar and insulin levels. Number 3. Amar al-Din. This drink is probably the most popular Ramadan drink in the Middle East and is great for the Ramadan season. Its main ingredient is dried apricot or apricot paste. Amar al-Din is a popular iftar drink as it's known to aid digestion, regulate metabolism, as well as containing healthy properties such as vitamins and minerals. Number 4. Dates and milks. Dates are typically eaten right after the sunset call to prayer and are usually the first thing eaten to break the fast. Most people like to marinate the dates in milk the day before they are served as per tradition and in adherence to the teaching of the Prophet Muhammad. Other people often like to eat plain dates while also drinking milk, which is also an easy, convenient way to consume them. Number 5. Kharib juice or kharib. Kharib is a traditional drink that was made popular in Egypt. It is very popular in the Middle East for being refreshing, nutrient-rich, and tasty beverage. Kharib, also known as kharib juice, is essential for Ramadan fasting as it is higher in fiber, protein, and antioxidants. Its thick consistency may not go down too smoothly compared to other drinks, but it is tasty and nutritious. Number 6. Fruit juices. Fruit juices are tasty, easy to prepare, and go well with most people. You can adjust your beverage by choosing the fruit you prefer as well as the quantities you use. As fruit juice are best served chilled, it's a great drink to help you beat the heat. Number 7. Water. Water is the best, most obvious, most effective, and most available beverage available for Ramadan. Some of the drinks on the list can be passed if you have certain preferences or dietary requirements. Water, however, is mandatory. Ensure you are getting enough of it during the break of your fast. It can also be consumed with other drinks and meals during iftar and sahur. Things to keep in mind. Moderation. A lot of these drinks may be delicious and widely available, but that doesn't mean you should be drinking too much of them. A few of the above choices can be highly processed, contain a lot of preservation, and have added ingredients you may not be aware. Make sure that you aren't drinking too much, and only enough to satisfy your craving as well as hydrating your body. Hydrate consistently. The key to maintaining a healthy and sustainable fast is ensuring that you are getting the energy and sources from food and drink that can support your body. Eating for your enjoyment and pleasure is important, but not as important as maintaining good health. Make sure you are drinking fluid constantly and drinking water every now and then when during iftar and sahar. Watch out for sugar and preservation. The best choice to hydrate with is water. As Ramadan is a season of being close with loved ones, sweet drinks are almost mandatory. But this doesn't mean neglecting your diet. It's important to limit your sugar intake. A lot of these sweet drinks have high levels of processed and natural sugars. Try to maintain how much you take. You wanna end Ramadan the way you started it. Don't break your ideal dieting habits. I wish you all the best, and now up to another video. Peace out.